buddy? Here's Gaming Supersnake coming at you. So a quick update on the Z01 add-ons. We ended up putting the mud flaps. They did their job. We started getting rocks on the doors before. Now we don't. The problem is now we're getting rocks rerouted to the back portion of the car. So now we're getting hit on our wide body fenders. Let me switch the camera view so you guys can see what I'm talking about. So beforehand, we used to get these guys landing around this portion of the vehicle, right? From the front to the sides. But the mud flaps have done their job, and the door is nice and clean. No more rocks, no more dirt. That's great. But we're used to getting them over here. So from there to there was my concern now, what to do. So what I ended up doing is working with a nice company, a nice guy too, man. It's from Auto Imaging. I highly recommend them. This is their card, guys. They provided me with the information and knowledge that I needed to get for this vehicle, which is the 3M film. And we ended up doing the bottom portion here. I'm not sure if you could tell the line that's there, all the way through the whole back portion of the wide body fender, all the way down. So we got all of that wrapped, which is great, and it came out fantastic. I mean, this guy does like everything. You talk about from vinyl wrap, tinted windows to 3M film. I mean, you name it, audio, lighting, he does everything. And this is my go-to guy from now on. I feel confident with his job that he does. And we ended up doing this side as well, obviously, here and around the whole fender here. Now, since I've had this done, I've had no rock chips, no dirt that can be easily wiped off. And it, you know, it does what it's supposed to, and he did a great job installing these. So again, I want to thank you guys for taking your time watching this video. I'm gonna make it quick and short, but I highly recommend anyone who has these wide bodies, do yourself a favor, do the 3M film and protect your vehicle, because trust me, after a while of driving, I don't even have 1,000 miles in this car, you will start getting rock chips. Unfortunately, that's just the nature of the beast. It does happen. But again, if you guys are interested and you guys are in the New York area or Westchester, here's the card again. And here's the back as well of what he does. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if there's anything else you guys think I should do in regards to the wide body. But as of now, signing out. Laters.